Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I live a pretty fast-paced life. So I use these Gimar carabiner hooks all the time. I don't like to have to carry a lot with me. Sometimes I'm going somewhere on a hike or just shopping, and I just want the basics. So I have them on my keys, I'm on my water bottle, and then I can just hook them onto my pants and go. The other thing I really like about these carabiners, the size is perfect because I sometimes do have to go somewhere by myself, and I'm a paranoid person, so I actually like that I can fit my full 4 fingers into it and kind of wear it almost like brass knuckles. I kind of view it as a protection where I can have the keys hanging there. It's just something that I do that kind of makes me have a little bit of peace of mind. So I've used carabiners a lot, and the reason why I bought this specific set is I started going to the food bank, and they give you such a small cart to put everything in. It started overflowing, some things were falling out. It really was very difficult, so I had an idea of, oh, I have a bunch of tote bags, I can tie them to the side of the cart, but then I had difficulty figuring out how to attach it. It didn't work out so well. So then I had the brilliant idea of I can use carabiners to just hook it to the side. I can fill everything in, go out, and then unclip them and put them in the back of the car. And it actually worked really well. Everyone at the food bank found it to be a really good idea. Everyone was commenting on it, so who knows, maybe I'll start a new trend. These are super useful, and that's my point of view.